Not this bad.
A natural disaster strikes from Texas to Florida. Human horror in the face of nature's power. 5 states endure a severe weather outbreak with tornadoes, hurricanes, hailstorms, causing significant damage and serious impacts on human life.
Jump on a live stream.
Over the weekend, 14 tornadoes swept through 5 states: Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and Florida, leaving a brutal mark with damaged homes, uprooted trees, and widespread power outages.
It's coming our way. Oh.
All right, guys, so we're in the area of Old Spanish Trail near Pine Tree Street, City Drive. If you can see off in the distance...
The epicenter was Port Arthur, Texas, where an EF2 tornado with winds of 120 mph lasting 4 minutes spanned 300 yards wide and traveled 2.7 miles. Fortunately, no fatalities were reported. In Cameron Parish, Louisiana, 2 EF1 tornadoes with winds of 100 mph also occurred, overturning a mobile home and downing numerous trees. A particularly dangerous situation alert was issued as tornadoes threatened the World Golf Village, endangering residents' lives.
Severe damage as well. You can see the trees down, the power lines down, power poles leaning over. None of this is a safe.
On April 10th, a horrendous hailstorm swept through south-central Texas, bringing large hail to cities like San Antonio and Austin, cutting power lines and leaving thousands without electricity overnight. This is at least the 4th hailstorm to hit the area within a month since the onset of severe weather in Texas. The hailstones were as big as baseballs, softball-sized, accompanied by gusts of 88 mm.
We need water, not that kind. I mean...
The National Weather Service issued flash flood emergency for Kirbyville after Pin Oak Creek rose 10 feet in 6 hours overnight due to heavy rain and thunderstorms hitting the area.
Breakers! Breakers!
Up to 12 inches of rain fell in the area, with an additional 3 inches possible, prompting the National Weather Service to expand the flash flood emergency to several nearby towns on Wednesday morning. Up to 12 inches of rain fell in the area, with an additional 3 inches possible, prompting the National Weather Service to expand the flash flood emergency to several nearby towns on Wednesday morning. Over 30 million people face the risk of severe storms, with 13 million under flood warnings from Texas to Georgia. New Orleans was submerged in water with 10 inches of rain falling in just one day, overwhelming drainage systems, flooding many roads and underground passages, closing schools and buildings. Wind gusts reached up to 78 mph, causing numerous injuries. Flooding also occurred from Florida to North Carolina, with over 50 local roads closed in Charleston. If you enjoyed this video and would like to watch another similar one, remember to click the link on the screen right now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.